What is work?
Are these example of work?
Work in physics is the measure of energy transfers when the object is being moved by the distance of external force, at least part of which is applied in the direction of displacement.
Take this for example. When things are moved around, work is being done. Work is done by a force acting on an object. When the point of application of that force moves through some distance and force has components along the line of motion.
Work is equals to the applied force multiplied by the displacement of the object, wherein force is an influence that can change the motion of an object, while displacement is defined to be the change in position of an object.
In this example, when Jane throws the stone 3 meters away from her, and let's imagine that the force in her hand exerted on the stone is 10 Newton force, let's try to compute the amount of work she had done. We all know that the formula of work is equal to the force multiplied to the displacement of the object. Then, in the given example, we have 10 Newton of force and 3 meters of displacement. Solution: 10 Newton of force times 3 meters displacement is equals to 30 joule. Therefore, 30 joules of work is being done by Jane.
Another formula. Work is equals to force times displacement times the cosine theta. Like in our example a while ago, we have 10 Newton of force, 3 meter of displacement, and a cosine theta of 45 degree. Solution: 10 Newton of force times 3 meter of displacement times a cosine theta of 45 degree is equals to 21.21 joule. Therefore, when force is being applied in an angle of 45 degree, the total amount of work being done is 21.21 joule. Note that we can only use this formula if there is an angle given in finding the amount of work.
We have learned that work is equals to force multiplied to the displacement of an object. This means that when we apply force on an object and it moves, there is work being done. So may I ask you, if I hold this object at the same position for 5 minutes, is there work being done?
No work.
No, because there is no displacement at all. The object doesn't move. But if I lift this object up high, is there work being done?
Yes, there is work.
Of course, yes, because we have a force and I lifted. Therefore, there is a displacement or a change in position. So there is work being done.
We hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.